So, good day everyone. Welcome to another episode of Finrich Learning Factory. Today I'm going to speak about the spelling and grammar immunity. First of all, before I go into this topic, I want to convey a statement. Even we as trainers and teachers are not at all immune to spelling and grammatical mistakes. So, let that sink into your mind. The only difference is that we commit less number of mistakes compared to students, and that is the hard hitting reality. Moreover, even in our mother tongue, we are not immune to spelling and grammatical errors. Let that sink in again. Now let us go into this topic. Now, why did I use the word immunity? It does not mean a complete immunity. Okay, I want to say that some sort of respectable immunity must be there for spelling and grammar mistakes. Now, how to gather it and how to use it properly? Okay, let me give you a statement. Okay, there is a word called opportunity. Okay, there is a word called opportunity. Now, what happens is that maybe a few months ago or few years back, a student might have replaced a word. Instead of OPPOR, the student might have written OPPURTUNITY. The student might have committed this mistake, which is wrong. This is the right one. Now, what happens is that I might have corrected that mistake and I might have given the correct spelling to the student. But what will really happen after a few days or few months or something like that, subconsciously it may be registered in my mind that this is the correct spelling, and I may get a doubt that this is the right or wrong spelling. So in that process, I may commit this spelling mistake. Alright, so this is the fact. Now I am giving you a simple example. There may be hundreds or 200s of words which may mimic the same statement, such as this. So that means in my career, hardly there might be 500 to 600 words which I may come across where I have corrected that spelling mistake, and I will make the same spelling mistake, and I will get a doubt, and I will recheck on the dictionary, and I will come back and rectify it. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, so this is nothing bad or wrong, because subconsciously we may think this is the right spelling. We will be clear about it. A student may commit a mistake, and that may store in our mind. At that particular moment, we may rectify this mistake, and then again we will make the mistake ourselves, go back to Google search or dictionary or whatever, and we will rectify it. So there is nothing wrong in doing that. But how to gain immunity one by one for these words? Okay, I gave an example for spelling. It may happen literally for grammar as well. Okay, how to gain immunity in this particular statement? Okay, fine. Now instead of opportunity, I may look for a synonym for it. Say for example, for opportunity, I may say chance. Okay, so I may look for a simple synonym, because if I frequently make the same mistake again and again, and if I get a frequent doubt again and again in terms of the spelling, I may look for an alternative with a simpler spelling. Okay, here in this case it is chance. Clear, right? So even in grammar, we can say to run or something is running, something like that is coming. Okay, to run or is running will come, and I may get a doubt like that. In that particular scenario, I will change the entire sentence. Okay, I am getting a run, is ready to run. Okay, that is the correct statement. Okay, is running readily, which is the correct statement? I don't know. It changes according to the situation and circumstances. Now what will happen is that I will eliminate both the statements, and what I will do is that he is going to run. and I will change the sentence structure itself from maybe a simple present or a present continuous to something called a past perfect, but I have to change the previous set of sentences accordingly to make it work here. Because whenever I get a doubt, I have to make sure that I at least change the previous sentence or the next sentence from the sentence that I have a doubt to make my grammar work properly. So these are the small insights that I want to give you today to achieve some sort of grammar and spelling immunity in your speaking and in your writing department. It is hard to achieve in your speaking, but hey, you can definitely achieve it in your writing. Stay tuned for further updates. Stay safe and stay healthy.